Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to tell you which was the secret ingredient or thing that helped me a lot in reducing my post pregnancy weight and which helped me to keeping my metabolism up. Yes, you are right. This video is all about apple cider vinegar. So you may have heard about it and lots of people are drinking it, but you do not know how to drink it and what to do. So this video is very important for the beginners who are in their weight loss journey or who are planning to lose weight. So stick to this video to the end to get to know which is the best apple cider vinegar you can buy online and how to take it and what quantity you should have of apple cider vinegar and when you can have apple cider vinegar. I will tell you everything in this video, so stay tuned. So right now I am having or as it is apple cider vinegar. So this is like most amazing apple cider vinegar I have found online. I purchased this apple cider vinegar from Amazon. So the best thing about as it is apple cider vinegar is it is first of all unpasteurized. It is not pasteurized. It is unfiltered as well as gluten free and it is totally organic. So the main thing about the apple cider vinegar, it should be organic. If it is not organic, then it will never going to help you. That means you are totally wasting your money. So which brand you should buy is as it is organic apple cider vinegar. You must buy to help yourself in reducing weight. So the next thing is how much quantity you should take for apple cider vinegar. They have provided you this cup as well. It is written 30 ml. So according to the fitness experts and my studies that I have done, you can take only 30 ml of apple cider vinegar in a day. Beyond that it is not advisable, and as the cup is also mentioned it is 30 ml, so that means 30 ml you can divide it twice at like 15 or divide in some other way, but not more than 30 ml you can take. When to take apple cider vinegar? So first thing you can do, you can have it in morning empty stomach. Soon you get up, you can have apple cider vinegar. Like what I do, I take around 10 ml of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of water as my morning drink. It helps me a lot because like I had my C-section and the most drawback of C-section is you have bad stomach after it, like the lot of bloating, lots of stomach ache. I usually suffer from bad stomach, but since the day I am having apple cider vinegar, it is helping me to reduce my influx as well as helping me in digestion. The metabolism that went down is going up. So right now in the morning I am having 10 ml of as it is apple cider vinegar. Then you can have before meals, like breakfast you before breakfast you already had your apple cider vinegar, or in lunch you can have the other 10 ml, and in dinner as well you can have before your dinner you can have 10 ml of apple cider vinegar. This is how I divide my apple cider vinegar. This is very affecting me, and literally I can see changes in my skin as well. It is giving me amazing result. So apple cider vinegar, when you can have once in empty stomach or before meals, that means there is no point of having, like lots of people have apple cider vinegar post meals. That means after lunch, after dinner or after breakfast. There is no point of having apple cider vinegar post meals. You must take apple cider vinegar before meals. so that it will give you like a essence of fullness. That means if you are having apple cider vinegar, believe me, you will cut down around 250 to 350 calories in a day. That means you will lose weight fast. Now the last question is, how can you take apple cider vinegar? So there are many ways by which you can take apple cider vinegar. There are many recipes available online as well. So what I do, I usually take apple cider vinegar with water only. That means empty stomach in morning, in then before my lunch, and then before my dinner. But yes, you can use it as a salad dressing, as it is amazing probiotics. It helps your gut a lot. If you have bad stomach, or if you have thyroid, PCOD, or diabetes, yes, you can take it. Believe me, it will give you amazing results. So if you are going to buy this apple cider vinegar, then definitely go for, as it is apple cider vinegar, it is amazing, and believe me, it will give you amazing result. You can buy this from Amazon, and I will place the link in the description box. Definitely go through this, and thank you so much for watching.